Hi guys, it's Ryan from Hills. I'm on Lancaster Road in Salford M6 to show you this spacious, extended 3-bedroom semi-detached family home. As you can see, it's got beautiful gardens to the front and the side, and a large garage space as well, providing extra storage and utility space. As we head inside, we go into a porch, which leads on through to a welcoming entrance hallway. On your left, we head through to a spacious bay-fronted lounge, through to this redecorated kitchen, and then the separate dining space. From the kitchen, you have access to the garage, which is a really large space. As I say, comes complete with that utility area there at the rear. So a well-presented garden with later lawn grass and paving. The property has been double-storey extended in the past to allow a really good size 3rd bedroom, along with the kitchen extension as well. As we head upstairs from the landing, on your right, we go into the 3rd bedroom. Just like I say, benefits from that extension. Then on your right, we have the 2nd bedroom, which is still a good sized double. Just through here, we have the main bedroom, which benefits from that bay window, letting plenty of light in. And finally, we have this lovely modern 3-piece bathroom. The property benefits from being within easy access to Salford Royal Hospital, Light Oaks Primary School, and excellent transport links throughout Manchester. Get in touch to secure your viewing today.